Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Houston. I'm aboard the exciting new 2020 235 Dorado by Scout. Scout's already got a great reputation for having one of the best looking, best quality boats out, but they took it up several notches with this model. This is a new dual console, which all the Dorado series are. But this one's got some great features for you fishermen and you dinner cruisers and you water sports enthusiasts. Check out the interior of this boat with all the seating that it has. However, it folds away very easily to give you plenty of bolsters for your fishing. Got a nice aerated bait well here with a glass top. Raw water and fresh water wash down. A really neat flip-flop seat so you can face in either direction here. We've even got a nice little table that pops up and locks into place. You have your little dinette area. Nice wet bar with cutting board. We've got a cooler that slides out here on the slide. This boat's already equipped with flush-mounted bridge-style electronics, lockable electronics box, trim tabs, Mercury SmartCraft gauge, and a 300 Merc on the back to give you plenty of power and performance. Got a huge storage locker in the floor. And a really nice head compartment on board. One of the things that really stands out about this boat when you first see it is the new molded fiberglass windshield. Really gives it some great styling and futuristic look. Scout's always on the top edge or leading edge of technology and design. You'll see a lot of people copying this design in the future. Huge storage compartment here. We've also got a walk-through door that you can close off, close your windshield, keep the wind out. Very comfortable boat in any kind of weather conditions. Great storage compartment with your circuit breaker panel and everything down below. Got a really nice deep bow in the section of the boat up here. It's great seating for your family. Plenty of depth if you had small children riding up here. Another one of my favorite features is the electric anchor windlass on the front. Great feature, great boat, great performance. Come see us here at MarineMax in Houston. We'll show you this boat and all the other great products we have to offer. I'm Paul. I'll be glad to take care of you.